Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to hide pictures in gallery on Motorola G15. Firstly, go into Photos. Now tap on the picture that you would like to hide. Now tap on the three dots at the right corner, scroll a bit and tap on Move to Locked Folder. Now tap on Continue and Move. Now to access the locked folder, all you have to do is go into Search, tap on the search bar and search up Locked. Now go into Locked Folder, and to open the locked folder you either have to set up a privacy password or use a current screen lock password. So I have a pattern, so I will use it. I don't want to back it up, and as you can see I have two pictures hidden right there, and that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have more questions, let us know in the comments.